Greetings everyone, Devar with Carib Sensations here again, back with another recipe. This time what we're going to be making in the kitchen is forbidden rice. Forbidden rice is a very nutrient dense grain and it's very good, and we use it to replace the rice in our house. One of the options actually. We would normally use quinoa, forbidden rice, wild rice, and even brown rice on occasions. Very good for you, very nutrient dense, and I'm going to show you how to make it in the kitchen today. Let's go. All of these ingredients, including product links and instructions, are listed below this video. Just click the Show Me More button for details. As far as the seasoned sea salt is concerned, we always recommend that you make your own. But if not, the Redmond's real salt is a great alternative. I'll leave a link to that below as well. And we are all done. Our forbidden rice is ready. I have some curry chickpea stew that I made here. If you want to know how to make that, go ahead and click the link below and follow that video and it'll take you through it. But right now, my favorite part of every video, the taste test. Guys, trust me, you guys are gonna like this one. Now, you can eat it with the curry chickpea stew or any recipe that you would rather have rice with or you normally have rice with. Try the forbidden rice and let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and leave your comments below. And do me a favor, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Peace and love.
Make your food be your medicine, your food. Blend up the carrot with the lettuce in a juice. No afraid fi mix the vegetable with the fruits. Lord, give me a bottle of spirulina and make me mix up the